Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about something really basic but very important. How to talk about dates, years and centuries in English. We'll learn how to write, pronounce and use dates correctly. Let's get it started. Let's start with today's date. There are different ways to write it and depending on where you are, the format might change. I'm recording this video on the 21st of February 2025. This is how you can write it. When speaking, we don't just read the numbers. Here's how to say it correctly. February 21st, 2025 or the 21st of February 2025. Notice that we say the 21st, not 21. Here we need an ordinal number like first, second, third, and so on. Now let's talk about years. For years before 2000, we usually divide them into two parts, like 1980 or 1875. For years between 2000 and 2009, we usually say 2000, 2005, or 2005 in casual speech. From years from 2010 onwards, both ways are possible, 2012 or 2012, 2025 or 2025. Now, what if I want to talk about a decade or a century? For decades, we use this structure, the 1980s, the 2000s. If you want to describe something popular in that decade, start with in the and then add your decade. Smartphones became common in the 2010s. For centuries, you need the article the and an ordinal number, like the 15th century or the 21st century. Now let's look at some important historical dates and how to say them correctly. The Second World War started on September 1st, 1939, or on the 1st of September, 1939. The moon landing was on July 20th, 1969, or on the 20th of July, 1969. The first iPhone was released on June 29th, 2007, or on the 29th of June, 2007. Now let's look at a few common mistakes. I was born in 1985 year. We don't need the last word. We don't need the word year. So the correct sentence is I was born in 1985, period. The 19th century was very different. We need an ordinal number here, remember? Like first, second, third. So what you want to say is the 19th century was very different. So you need this th at the end. So that's it for today. I hope I've covered everything. If the video was useful, you know what to do. See you in the next videos.